Hello, this is Joan of Arc. I'm in Tagbilaran, Bohol. We stayed at Soledad Suites here at Tagbilaran City proper. Let's have a look at our accommodations. Hello, good morning. This is Soledad Suites. This is our booking. Hello, good morning. How much ang among rates?
Sa imong room, ma'am, is business suite to, ma'am, 2,000, ma'am, with free breakfast with for two, ma'am.
Alright. Unsa pay lain ninyo nga rooms?
We have premier suite, ma'am, 3,200. We have deluxe suite, 2,600.
2,000.
And the last one is the superior suite, ma'am, 2,200. We have free pick up and drop off to the airport and seaport, ma'am.
Hi, okay. So that's good. So take note of that to all the visitors of Tagbilaran. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the lobby. They have friendly staff. It's warm, comfortable, friendly, clean. And they have a cafe down here. You can find excellent choice of pastries, coffee, also breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is my room in Soledad Hotel. Nice, clean, comfortable. It has a television, closet, and a nice view of the city. The drawback is that it's just easy to jump down there. So, yep. Hello, city of Tagbilaran. Looking out at the balcony of my hotel room. That's the scary thing about this window. That's the only thing that I've noticed. Alright. That's the scary part. Okay, better close that. And bathroom, nice and clean. Hot and cold showers. No pail and dipper this time. Hello, good morning. Thank you. This is my room service breakfast. Na lang. Thank you. So here's breakfast served in bed, room service. This is the shuttle bus of Soledad Suites. And once again, this is Joan of Arc saying bye-bye for now. And until our next island hopping adventure, our next accommodation, what would that be? Bye-bye for now. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.